Good afternoon to all. I, Avantika Tripathi, as a representative of Group B, going to represent the model which is on based of the topic selection of playing material according to age. So let's start. Neonate, which is from 0 to 20 days. Their developmental focus is touch, visual and hearing. So we use dangle toys, which is as it is in bright color, so the visual capacity of the child is increased. Infants, in infants, the developmental focus of infants are the physical development, which includes crawling, grasping capacity, sound, tactile, and visual stimulation. The suitable material for this group age is rattles, which helps in sound aid, teething rings, as due to the teeth eruption, the muscles. Oral muscles pain, so we use teething rings so that they can relax their oral muscles. Teddy bear, which is used as a sensory perception or tactile perception. Toddler toddler is from 1 to 3 age, and in this the developmental focus is mainly on for the child should walking. Cognitive development includes the shape learning of basic mathematic concepts. Push and pull toys, due to which they can walk and stand. And the stacking rings are used so that their hand and eye coordination can be maintained. Preschooler includes 3 to 5 years of age. In this, the child imitates their parents and tries to play. They perform role plays, and kitchen set are used so that they can empathize with their parents. Also include the role play, teamwork, coordination. And the doll is used as a imitation. उसके बाद ball is used for physical development. Schooler age, which includes 6 to 12 years. In this, the child can play Ludo, as it increases the teamwork, reasoning, also the coordination of hand and eye, and logical thinking. Slider can be used for social interactions and balancing. Earl- Early adolescent, which includes the age 12 to 14 years of age. In this, the child can play chess, as it increases the concentration, logical reasoning. Badminton, Badminton and cricket can be both used as a teamwork for social interaction and in group development. Thank you.
Category of play. So, category of play is dividing in different categories. Play is dividing in different categories. So, solitary play in which a child play independently without any rule and regulation and enjoyment. Parallel play in which uh, child play independently, but they copy other child, and there is no rule regulation, and they have only follow their own rules. Onlooker play in which child see others children's playing and only observe, and child did not involve in any playing. Associative play. In associative play, uh, more than one child play each other with without any rule regulation and independently. There is no any goal sets, and they enjoy. Cooperate Cooperative play in which group of children play with each other. There is rule regulations, and they play with each other and coordination. Thank you.